looking at is a replica of a log cabin that my father built back in 1975. This was totally built by hand. He carved every single stick. He put every single notch in it. He created the chinking that goes in between the logs. He spent several months putting this together. These are the shake shingles that he put on the roof. He cut each piece by hand and tried to stagger them to resemble a real roof. Here's some more up-close details of the chinking that he created to put between the logs. Dad also created the hinges for the doors that are made with little pins, and they're made out of metal and attached to the door and to the shutters of the window. Very authentic. He paid very close attention to detail, as you can see here in the firewood pile. The log on the far right used to have a very small axe that stuck out of the wood, but over the years of us kids playing with it, that got broken off and lost. But the details didn't stop at the outside. He did the inside with just as much detail. Dad made the reflective part of this mirror with a piece of aluminum foil. Back in the day when he first made this model, it was almost as reflective as a real mirror. When it came to the wood flooring, Dad cut each piece by hand and staggered them just like a real wood floor in a house. Dad also built all the furniture for this house. As you can see, this one's a little bit worn out from being played with so much, but he put hinges on it and clasps and paid much attention to detail. Here's the table and chair that he built for the log cabin. The chair looks so real that you could almost sit in it. And when you flip the table over, you can see how he put it together just like a table at that period of time would have been put together. Here's a 4-poster bed that he built for the log cabin as well. He attached the top sheet there so that it wouldn't become separated. The sheet around the bottom and around the pillow were made from a flannel sheet, and he sewed them on much like a mattress would have been attached to a frame back then. So there you have it. There's the cabin that my dad built by hand to look like an authentic 1800s log cabin. He paid much attention to detail, that's for sure, and he took quite a long time putting it together. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it.